Hey Saweeties, and welcome back to Kiki Creates. I am Kiki and this is my YouTube channel. I'm back, loves. Missed you guys so much. So much been going on, but I'll update you guys as soon as I can. As soon as I can chat. But anyway, today's a very quick, very how-to video. Basically going to be showing you how I make my bed look and smell a little bit on the luxurious side. Luxurious, make it very comfortable, very homey for myself, but on a budget because we don't have all of this, child. So I'm just gonna take you through it. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover to tell you guys some of the things that I'm doing in the video, and it should be self-explanatory though. Let's get into it, child. We're still trying to be healthy, but ooh, girl, I need a Savannah. I need a Savannah, child. But that's a story for another day. Let's get into the video. So the first thing I do is just to mix some bicarbonate of soda with lemongrass essential oils. I don't know, it creates like this great smelling powder, and I think the bicarbonate of soda just makes the smell a little bit stronger and carries it all over whatever you're gonna pour it on. So what I do is that I pour it on the naked mattress before I put any of my linen on. The next step is to put on your mattress protector. Very, very important. My sister will be very proud of me. The next step is to put on your fitted sheet. I got mine at Sheet Street for $89.99 on a budget, honey. After your fitted sheet comes your flat sheet. I got mine at Mr. Price Home for 219 Rand, I think. I think this part is a bit obvious, but I'll go ahead. So then I just go around all the edges of the bed and just tuck it under the mattress. And then I just fold it at the top to your desired folding length or whatever, and then I'll just tuck it back in. When I get to the corners, I just like to give it a little sleeker look. It's not perfect, I'm sure you guys can get it way better than me, but just fold it at the corners and then continue to just tuck it in under the mattress. My sister taught me this one. So I basically just lay down the pillows in a hotel-like style. That's what she always calls it. And yeah, pretty self-explanatory. And that brings us to the end of our video. Very short, very sweet, very how-to. There's nothing hectic in that video. Yeah, I don't think I've got anything else to say, but I genuinely just like the way it looks. I've been on a serious hunt for a very reasonable but nice looking bedding or linen, whatever you want to call it, but white, crisp white ones. Haven't found reasonable ones yet, but I'm still on the search. So that's why I'm using my late mother's bedding for now until I can find one that I like.
when I made this bed, actually, for the people that are going to be new to this video, number one, please subscribe, because we need a lot of subscribers, honey. Secondly, I made this bed, this headboard that I'm sitting in front of, and this bed frame, I made that. So go watch those videos so that you can see that I'm amazing. Anyway, getting back to it, still looking for crisp white linen, but I'm enjoying how it looks anyway. I do like pink. Like, pink is a cute color, and it doesn't completely contrast everything that's on the bed, so I'm fine with it. I'm very happy. And honestly, I just, life is hard, so the best thing you can do is to make your room your little sanctuary, a place for you to just escape when things get a little bit rough, and when you get there and it smells like home, it smells like comfort. And I think that's what my bedroom is for me, like just a place to disappear and not have to deal with everything, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'm trying my damnedest to create content and think of creative ways to just make my place look as cute as it can be. And yeah, that's what you'll be saying. Just me trying to make things look cute. Okay, child. Thanks so much for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. You guys are amazing. We're literally on like 500 and something. I haven't checked, but I'm so glad. Like, I had no idea. Starting this thing in September, Starting this thing in September, I had no idea that I'd get so many people would actually like want to watch and subscribe, and I built a whole family. Thank you, loves. So, check you guys next Sunday. Definitely check you guys next Sunday, because I actually have content lined up. So, see you next Sunday.